Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to check the Serpentine Belt on my 2009 GTR with 71,000 miles. Make sure it's not stretched or ripped and to be replaced. It's a really easy job to even replace it. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to get the right light. Okay, so here we have the tensioner, not the tensioner, the serpentine belt. And what you have to do, you put 1/2 inch ratchet in here, and you pull it, and then once you align these two holes with each other, you can just put a pin in and it will hold, and then you'll be able to take the serpentine belt off. I will post some pictures in a second, and I'll show you how the serpentine belt should be put back on, so you don't mess anything up. It's fairly easy. I think the Nissan dealer would charge you about $300 to replace that. The belt itself, I think it's like $75, but if you go to local parts store, I'm pretty sure you can even pick it up for cheaper. My belt is still okay, but I can see some dry spots, and I don't know when it was replaced, so probably I'm gonna replace mine soon. There's no cracks or anything. And this is how you check if your serpentine belt needs replacement and if it's stretched. Once this line right here on the tensioner goes to the line with I think this is no wait, if you pull this one, I'm trying to think, if you pull this one back, yeah, I see. Okay, so once this line goes to the third mark, your belt needs replacement. So right now I'm looking at it and I am in the middle, because this part moves, this one stays. So once this goes into the third line, that the belt needs replacement. So mine is still okay, but I can see some dry spots, and I don't know if it was replaced. I don't see any cracks. So this is basically how you can do it. So for $40, $50, $60, you can do this yourself, and it's fairly easy. And yeah, this is it. This was a short video how to replace the serpentine belt on R35 GTR. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.